So I want this seat in my house. But I'd rather have this pan in my garage. It's an old dual glide. I restored one of these for a fella. Funny story go along with it, but we'll wait for another time. The Great Escape. A couple of those movies are about the most famous movies you could put in the motorcycle deal along with the Easy Rider.